Your neighborhood do-it-best store is your best source for friendly service, expert advice, and innovative products like these. If you're looking to bring LED efficiency to your HID lighting applications, Stephen from SATCO, he's the guy you want to hear from. Tell us about this.
Well, this is a great category for a variety of reasons. You can save energy, and it also has great light output. So these light bulbs replace any mercury vapor, high pressure sodium, or metal halide, and can be used in a variety of situations, whether it's light commercial or residential. Anywhere you'd have security lighting, outdoor, high bay lighting indoor. Again, great items. They're 50,000 hour life. They're wet location rated, they're enclosed fixture rated, they're workhorses.
And you've got one here actually rigged up, right?
I do. I'd like the light. This is a 400 watt equivalent. We do have one that goes all the way up to 600 watts, but we didn't want to blind everybody too much.
Right. Amazingly bright. And what's the cable for here?
The cable's it's a heavy lamp, so the cable can hook onto a beam or something to make sure, just in case the socket decides to let go, it doesn't bonk anybody on the head.
Super smart. Yep. What do we have here? I've never seen anything like this.
So the corn cob is somewhat familiar in the market. Ours we think is better because it has chips on the downlight side. This is the multi-beam is actually a unique item to SATCO, and it's a more versatile item. You know, you can either direct the light where you want it to go, or you can use it like a corn cob. So you can have it completely closed, and you can use the reflection of the fixture, or you can open up the panels, hence its name multi-beam.
That is
and
cool.
You can direct the light wherever you want it to go. And it's equivalent to, this one is equivalent to 150 watt HID. It only draws 30 watts of electricity, which is great.
That
and
is
it goes
amazing.
all the way up to 600 watts.
I've never seen anything like that. Did you dream that up yourself?
Very cool. I wish I did.
Well, the people at SATCO are smart, whoever that is. What do we have here?
Another part of the family is what we call a high bay temporary light. So you can, the newer generation actually has an outlet, and that's the one that will be in stores, where you can actually string these together up to 600 watts together, which is a lot of light, and you can use it in a work site, you can use it in a large workshop. It's a great way to light up your life, right? And you can use a remote control to turn it on and off.
Very, very cool.
Yeah.
Well, Stephen from SATCO, I so appreciate you giving this overview. I've never seen any products like these. These are amazing, and I encourage you to check these out. Available at your neighborhood do-it-best. This is just a sampling of the more than 67,000 items available from your friendly neighborhood do-it-best store. Check them out today.